following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing the NWO, from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 227 pounds, Christian.
If there is one superstar who has all the credentials to be in the WWE Hall of Fame who hasn't made it in there yet, for my money, it's absolutely that guy right there, Captain Charisma.
And you're looking at a former Intercontinental, European, hardcore, light heavyweight, and of course, former world champion. Captain Charisma has a resume a mile long.
My one word for the day is awesomeness, because Christian completely reeks of it.
People are going crazy.
And his opponent from Blackpool, England, weighing in at 220 pounds, the Nightmare, Ethan McIntyre.
Get ready, guys. Big-time singles matches coming.
Definitely an electric feeling to this venue tonight.
And guys, if you think this Dayton crowd has been loud so far, just wait until this match heats up. Lost in the corner right now.
Oh, impressive counter.
That handle finds its target.
Oh, knee right to the face.
Gotta find a way to get out of this.
He's looking to fly.
Look at this.
Blast! Things not looking great for Christian.
No need to panic. He's still swinging. Good night.
His offense is on point right now.
Nothing is gonna stop him now.
Oh, nasty impact.
And Christian manages to reverse out of that one.
From out of nowhere.
It's not going to be pretty. Go to sleep.
That's his go-to move. Can he finish this off? My goodness, that connected.
This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages and in over 110 countries. Boom, right to the jaw.
Oh, you could pick up your teeth in section 112.
Dominating cross-body. What a shot.
And he's heading back in.
Oh, no. Someone call the orthodontist.
Finds a way to reverse. Drop kick from behind.
Long way up in the electric chair.
One of the best to ever do that move. I don't know if Christian can recover. We continue to see incredible perseverance from these competitors.
continues to rage on with no superstar willing to give an inch.
Boom! Buckle bomb!
What impact. Look out. Here we go.
If this lands, it's over.
Christian with the excellent move to get out. Quick pin attempt here. Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
Way too early.
Gets him with a counter.
German suplex.
He's just dominating at this point.
He's taking charge here. The people's elbow.
Yeah, but we're not talking about The Rock.
Oh, it's not going to be pretty. Going to slam GTS.
Night, night.
Is it enough? The cover. 2, 3. There's the pinfall and the victory. Now let's take a look back at these guys in action.
Here is your winner, the Nightmare, Ethan McIntyre.